I'm on a hunt for the world's greatest mascara. I'm bringing you along. Today we're going to talk about Colourpop BFF Mascara for over 40s in teal, purple, and blue. I'm so excited. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. You know I love me some mascara. When Colourpop came out with these a few months ago, I was so excited because I love colored mascara. I'll link another video for you right there on another colored mascara I tried. But you want to know about Colourpop. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is try these on for you. What I usually do in my routines is I put primer on one eye, no primer, plain mascara on the other eye, because I use primer with everything. And if I can't use the primer, I'm disappointed. The primer makes every mascara better. But you may not want to use primer. If you do, I'm going to link it for you below. In fact, all of these will be linked for you below if you choose to buy them. You can just go right underneath, click on that, it'll open up into a new page, purchase what you want, come back and finish the video, or if you've already finished, move on to the next one. I usually wear these for multiple days, for several weeks, sometimes a month or two, before I come and do this video so that I feel like I can give you a full description of everything I like and don't like about it. What you're seeing is me applying it for you, and then you're seeing some footage of a particular day that I wore each of the mascaras, but I wear them more than just the 2 days that you're seeing. Let's get started with the purple. This purple is called Purple Prose. You can see the container of mascara is really quite cute. Here it says, insert clever saying here, and then the bottle, the cap has BFF and some cute hearts. I don't ever curl my lashes when I do these tests because not everyone likes to curl their lashes. Let's first have a look at this ginormous brush. This is fantastic for applying mascara. Not so great if you want to apply it down here because these fatter ones make that a little bit harder to do. But as for just getting right here, amazing. Let's do the second coat. You can see the difference with the primer without the primer, and that's why I always use primer with my mascara. But let's just talk for just a minute about this mascara. What in the world? Is this not the most beautiful, period? You don't even have to say purple, but the most beautiful mascara application. Look at how thick and long, particularly this eye is. I mean, this one's not bad, but look at this. That's 2 coats, not even thick coats, just normal coats. Some of the positives with this mascara is that it's a dry application. What that is good for is, especially if you're a newbie or if you're in a hurry or if you're just not good at applying mascara, it's not going everywhere. There are no speckles all over my face. If I'm applying a wet mascara, you could tell I've applied mascara. Then I've got to get my little pin and wipe it off, or a little Q-tip, or however you remove your mascara dots. This doesn't go everywhere if you accidentally gloop. Who doesn't gloop? And even now, as I'm blinking like this, it's slightly wet, and you can see that it's still not getting up there. That's because dry formulas don't go everywhere when you're putting them on. It's really a benefit. Now, the downside to dry mascaras is they're a lot harder to do multiple coats. If you like 4 coats of mascara, if you like your eyelashes to go up here, you're going to struggle with the dry mascara. And that's why people sometimes prefer the wet mascaras, because you could just build and build and build. This one you're not going to be able to do as much building with. But also, you don't need to do as much building. Seriously, look at this. I'm going to bring in the pictures of all of these for you now. You can see that the colors are all very vibrant. The consistency is the same through each of the colors. As far as separating, I think it does a fairly good job of separating the lashes so that they're not spidery. When they get all clumped together, I don't mind that look, but I know that a lot of people don't. But regardless of that, this particular mascara does not do a lot of clumping. It does a fairly good job of just being able to use the wand and separate them. It doesn't have any curling attributes at all. I didn't find that it was necessarily waterproof, but I did find that you could make it through the day with some degree of sweat without it being completely gone at the end of the day. I'll bring in the footage of just a minute of each day's wear test of the specific colored mascaras so you can see for yourself just how it works. in a given day. In my day, I usually will get sweaty because I live in Louisiana and it's very hot and humid here. And I will often lay down with my 3-year-old and sometimes even take a nap with him. So it's gonna be conditions that most people would be experiencing, except for maybe not the napping with your 3-year-old. Each individual mascara is $6 and there are 7 colors altogether. I got the colors I thought I would use the most often, and the only thing I regret is not buying every single color. That's how great I think these mascaras are. Here is some footage of some other colored masks that I have tried. These, however, are so amazing that I never want to be without them. I have green eyes, and the purple and the blue in particular, as you're gonna see in all the footage, make my eyes so green. And I just really like this teal. I think this teal is really fun. If you are not good at applying eyeliner, you don't have a lot of lid space, a lot of free lid space, these are a really great way to add that color that you might not otherwise be able to use, you know, with eyeliner. Or if you don't like doing eyeshadow, or, you know, there's so many reasons to get this mascara. They're just amazing. I'm not gonna apply each individual one on camera for you. Let me bring in the pictures of me wearing each of the different colors. I want you to really pay attention not only to the mascara, but on what it does to the color of my eye, because I want you to be able to see that wearing a colored mascara can really enhance the color of your eyes. This is what I'm wearing today. Blew your mind. 2 hours, and it's actually looking pretty good. I did a workout, so I sweated, and it stayed on pretty good. It's not claiming to be waterproof. Looking pretty good here. Still looks, isn't it pretty, pretty? Well, the morning part of the mascara was really good, but now it's been about 5.5 hours. I laid down with my preschooler, my eyes watered a little bit, and now it looks like underneath my eyes is purple, pretty much. It's gone everywhere. Bummer. Purple today. We'll see how this goes. It's been about 6 hours, and as you can see, it did not hold up. In all fairness to this mascara, I have been sweating for hours. It's not meant to be waterproof. Never said it was. Doesn't really hold up to sweat. This is a summer mascara. Eek. There's Edmund. There's Ed having bacon. And this is what it looks like first thing in the morning. Now I'm going to show you some footage of me taking it off at the end of the day. I'm only going to take off one color. They all come off exactly the same. They all wear the exact same way. They're really the only difference in these 3 mascaras is the color I found. So I'm going to bring in the footage of me taking the mascara off at the end of the day. I think it's an important piece of deciding which mascara you're going to buy and wear on how easy it comes off at the end of the day. So if it's super hard, it takes you 3 hours to scrub it off, you know, you're not going to want to apply that. But if it comes off easy, you're going to be reaching for it more often. It's been a long day, you want to go to bed. Let's take it off. This is my L'Oreal that I've been using in all my videos. It's a good makeup remover, and it really puts the mascara to the test. If it's hard to get it off with this L'Oreal, you don't want to keep wearing it. We're gonna place these on my eyes for 20 seconds. Here we go. Echo, set a timer for 20 seconds. That's 6 swipes. It just doesn't get any easier than that to take off mascara. It just doesn't. Let's put a little bit on the back here and see if there's any left. And the other eye. This eye was better. I would say overall, these are one of the best mascaras I have ever used. They're cheap, they come off easily, they're beautiful colors. I love the colors. I love to wear colored mascara. I don't care how old you are. If you're over 40, you're probably watching this. I don't care if you're 80, you can wear colored mascara. This is not just for 20-year-olds. I do it all the time. Makeup doesn't have an age stamp on it, and you don't either. If you think it'll be fun to wear colored mascara, wear colored mascara. For me personally, I find it easiest to just wear colored mascara. I do a pretty light nude lip, and I don't do any eyeshadow, or if I do, it's just a base of, you know, pink or beige, something very light that does not detract from the colored mascara. Again, you do you. I want you to feel beautiful, but if you're wondering how to do it, I find it's usually easiest to not do eyeshadow with the colored mascara. I do it every day. I mean, I don't have to be going anywhere. I don't have to be doing anything. I'll just come in here and I'll put on a coat of colored mascara because it's fun and I feel pretty when I do it. And you will too. This is for anybody. This is not just for the teenagers. I would definitely be repurchasing these. I can't imagine ever finding another colored mascara that's better, but don't worry. I'm gonna keep looking. So far, I have to admit, these are the world's best colored mascaras. You heard it here first. What's your favorite? Have you ever worn colored mascara? Be sure and let me know because I'm interested if you have. And if not, I want you to tell me why not. And until my next video, here's one for you. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Somewhere. Watch it. Bye.